Ever wonder why some people are selling $5 products and can't break $1,000 a month? And yet there are others selling a $50 product to make $10,000 easily. It's not luck, and it's not about having the best product either. It's about pricing with purpose. Today I'm going to give you the exact framework I wish someone had given me years ago. So you can stop guessing, stop undercharging, and start building the digital product that pays you what you're worth. So part one, the psychology of pricing. So let's start here, because this is where most people get stuck. Most people price based on fear instead of value. We think, I'm new, so I should charge less. Or what if nobody buys it? How about this one? This isn't worth much. It's just a PDF, right? Well, I'll tell you what, that's the wrong mindset. Buyers don't just pay for your content, they pay for the outcome you provide. A $7 guide that teaches something, not gonna work out. A $47 guide that fixes a pain point quickly, that's sales all day. Higher prices signal higher value. A $47 product feels more valuable than a $7 product. Even, get this, even if it's the same content. Psychology kicks in. People think it's more helpful, more impactful, and more worth their time. So here's an example. One digital creator was struggling to sell her $9 digital planner. So what did she do? She doubled the price. She added a 10-minute tutorial video and changed the name to Productivity Kickstart Toolkit. Result? Her sales tripled and she got fewer refund requests. So what do? You start with a $27 product. If it sells, increase it to $37. If it continues to sell fast, increase it to $47. Let the market guide you, but never start at the bottom. You're not in a race to be the cheapest. You're here to provide value that transforms people's lives. And that is something someone will always pay for. So part two, the $10,000 formula. Simply volume times price. So let's break down the numbers. You want to make $10,000 a month? Cool. So let's do the math. There's only two levers you can pull to do this. You have volume and price. So for example, a $200 product selling for $50 sells 200 copies of a $50 product, that's $10,000. Sell $20 of a $500 course, again, $10,000. Or sell 100 copies of a $100 guide, again, $10,000. The formula is simple, obviously, but it's also very powerful. You want to raise the price? Add value. People don't mind spending more if the value is clear. So here's how. You want to stack bonuses. Add a cheat sheet, a quick start video, a checklist. Add urgency. Only 50 bonus downloads left. You're not tricking people. You're making the results easier and faster for them to get. And that is worth paying for. You want passive income? Use recurring revenue. This ninja trick is seldom used by beginners. Add a $9 upsell. This could be for something as simple as a monthly Q&A, exclusive templates. How about a private community? Weekly tips or tools delivered via newsletter, email, Zoom. Just 100 people at $9 a month, that's $900 extra every month, recurring. You don't need 1,000 buyers. You just need a few dedicated buyers that are willing to stick with you and receive your content. And part three, avoid the pricing traps that kill profits. So let's talk about what not to do. Trap number one, undervaluing yourself. I know you want to help people, and I know you have a great heart to serve. But if you undercharge, you're telling your audience that it's not worth much. You're burning yourself out for pennies, and you're attracting people that don't take action. And those are the worst customers, because they're also the most demanding. Your time and experience are valuable. Even if this is your first product, you've lived through things people haven't. And that wisdom is worth something. Trap number two, competing on price. You're not Walmart, and you're certainly not trying to race to the bottom. If someone says, I found it cheaper, let that person go. They're not your ideal customer. Your audience is not looking for the cheapest solution. They're looking for one they can trust, they can understand, and they can act on today. Think of it like this. A $19 ebook that helps pay off $3,000 in debt will always be worth more than a $5 ebook that just gives generic tips. Don't be the cheapest. Be the most helpful. So let's wrap it up. Price is a positioning tool, not a charity choice. Test it, tweak it, but never base your price on fear. Know your numbers. Volume times price equals your freedom. And don't fall for the pricing traps that kill your momentum before you even get started. So now that you know about how to price your product, you're probably asking yourself, where do I sell it to make $10,000 fast? Click to watch video 4 next. I'll show you the exact places where your buyers are hiding out right now and how you can make sales without having an audience yet. You've got the product, you got the pricing, now let's go get those buyers. I'll see you in the next video.